Welcome back, student. As we already discussed in the previous video about the Dauvergne, New Zealand, and the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay. Now this session will beginning with the limitation of Mendeleev, and we'll discuss about the modern periodic table, which is also known as modern periodic modern modern periodic table. Fine. Okay, we'll discuss these two things. So what was the limitation anomalous position of hydrogen? This was not very much clear. Similarly, the like isotopes positions were not clear. Like one element present in the different form, we have already studied in atomic structure in class 9. Some other element which was not known, their position was not very, and there is no resemblance of element within the subgroup, and similarly different group of the different element, and there is a lot of uncertainty in the prediction of the new element. So these are the few. So for example point of view, the hydrogen and isotopes concept normally is asked. Now that was the limitation or the failure, you say, of the Mendeleev periodic table. Now the last one, the one we are using now, which is proposed by a scientist called Moseley. It was Moseley, and Moseley was the scientist who proposed the modern periodic table, which is widely used across physical chemistry science, everywhere. In all the students of the chemistry, they use the same. Now what happened, but what was the basis of his basis was the physical and chemical properties of element, but the catch is here, he proposed a key was atomic number. So chemical and physical properties on the basis of atomic number. So he was the first person who said about the atomic number classification. So involvement of atomic number come here only. So very important. Okay. And they also he has left the group. I have not put in the periodic table. So the element belong, and he numbered the group like 1 2 from left to right. Okay. And the element belonging to particular group takes a family and usually name after the family, like alkyne, alkane, and halogen. So every groups, what he has done basically, he has given the different name for it. Okay, in a period. Okay, in the period all the element contain same number of cell, but we move from left to right, the number of valence cell electron increase. So these are the very important point. When you will move left to right, okay, so the valence cell electron increase by 1 unit. Okay, so if you understand, remember periodic table modern, you very well you can predict the valence electron. Now what is the proposed, already it was given, like this is how identify the maximum number of electrons available in any cell on orbit or the energy level, that is 2n square. Okay, so the 2n square is the general formula, basically was proposed already very earlier, not by the Moseley, but the number of accommodating cell can be calculated only on this formula, which was earlier proposed by Bose and other scientists. Okay, so where n is equal to cell number or energy number, energy level. Okay, and level, or how the energy level are K, L, M, N. Okay, so based on that. Okay, now what are the advantages of modern periodic? It is very easy, since it was based on the atomic number. An atomic number is the unique number given to for every element is found. It's like UID, unique identification. So two element can't have the same atomic number, so it is easy to remember and reproduce. Prediction of new element, he has given the left, like now it is the period, it is the atomic number, is not the mass. So any new element is found is can given the new atomic number. So Now position of isotopes also handled. Anonymous of, because isotopes was missed because of the mass number. Now mass number is not been considered now. So since atomic number was the only key, so we can always ignore the concept of the isotopes. Okay, and he, whatever the disadvantage we had there is turns to advantage. But however, it is not perfect. Like the position of hydrogen is still not yet clear the way it was there in the earlier, in the modern, in Mendeleev. Okay, can be part of one because the alkaline nature, but can be placed in the group 17. So you have to remember hydrogen can be placed in group 1 as well as in 17 because it having both alkaline and halogen in nature. Please note, these are the very important point for the examination. He should be a group 2 only alkaline matter, but not placed in the group 18. No proper position has been assigned to lanthanide and externite. Okay, so few things are you must by heart and remember, not by heart, remember it, because is it the way it is there, you have to understand. Okay, now the modern periodic table are arranged in the atomic number. I am re-emphasizing it, and from having a 7 horizontal row they call period and 18 vertical rows they call groups. Fine, huh? Okay, and some of the things I have given. Okay, which is the group 1 is called alkali group, group 2 is called alkaline earth metal, and halogens. So these few are which is very important, you should remember on examination point of view, like group 1 which is alkali, group 2 which is alkaline earth metal, group 17 is the halogen, and group 0 is called noble or the inert gases. Okay, now electronic configuration of the element. So how the electronic configuration of element in the modern periodic table behaves, or how it goes, like say group all the element in any group of the periodic table has identified outer shell or the vertical shell element configuration. Fine. However, the number of filled cell increase as we move down the groups. Okay, so as we move down, that we will see in the trends in the modern periodic table. So the trends you have to remember, like the valency. Okay, so if you don't understand this, I have put some few trends which are very important in examination point of view and normally asked. So first trend is the valency. So valency is what it is the combining capacity, as we know. Will not interested on that part, but how the valency is impacted. So valency is the combining capacity, as I said, and element in other acquired to basically get a stable configuration. And the other part which already I said, all the element in any group periodic table are identical outer shell or the valence electron configuration. However, the number filled cell is increased as we move down the group. For example, group 1 element in group 1 element 1 in lithium, 2 in sodium, and so as we go down the valence electron cell is increases. Okay, now second is atomic size. Atomic size is what? It is refers to the distance between the center of nucleus of a isolated atoms to its outermost shell containing electron. And this atomic radius is what? The atomic radius is moving when you move from left to right in a periodic table. This is due to the increase in the nuclear charges. Okay, so what happened? The size of atoms reduce, nucleus and this side does reduce. Okay, in a group which is group atomic size decreases from top to bottom due to increases number of cells. Okay, so that is the key of this one. And the last one is that, so what I say, this refers to the distance between the center of nucleus of an isolated atoms to its outermost shell containing electrons. The atomic radius decreases on moving from left to right period. This is due to an increase in nuclear charge which tends to pull the electron closer to the nucleus and reduce the size of the atom. In a group, atomic sizes from top to bottom due to increase in number of cell. So in group, atomic sizes decrease. Okay, when we go from top to bottom, atomic sizes decreases. Why is decreases? Because due to the increase in the atomic number of cell. Means what? As I said, it refers to distance between center. So as the number of cell increases, the atomic size will be impacted. Okay, fine. Second, and the last but one, the metallic and non-metallic properties. In a period from left to right, metallic property decreases. So you already is there. So but you have to remember, these are very important concept and normally asked in the exam. So when you go from left to right, the metallic nature decreases. Okay, and in the group, metallic character increases from top to bottom. Okay. So for the non-metallic character, from period when you go from left to right, okay, and when you go top to bottom, fine. Okay, now last but not the least, the electronegativity, the relativity tendency of an atom to attract the sheer electrons pair of electrons towards cell itself is called electronegativity. So when we go in the period from left to right, the value of electronegativity increases, while in a group from top to bottom, C is also already is there, it is decreases. Okay, so these are the few trends we say in modern periodic table. Okay, so this is already discussed in very details in other chapter in the main videos. Okay, please refer those. Fine, and read through the NCERT book. Okay, which is very important, because these are the point which is nowadays, which is normally asked in the exams. I have put it there. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept well. Okay, and keep watching, subscribe channel, and I hope you will like it. Okay, so press the bell icon so you get the notification. Okay, so this is very much, I have covered everything in 2 videos, which is essential in terms of your periodic table. So I am just browsing through whatever I did from the need of classification, Daubigny types, then I said limitation, and the based on limitation, Newland proposed his periodic table, its limitation. Then Newland's octave I discussed, then I discussed modern periodic table, its limitation, and then I discussed the Mosley, which is the modern periodic table per se. We discuss the advantages and disadvantages and how some of the properties of the modern periodic tables, and then some trends which is just recently we discussed. I hope you guys like this session. Please subscribe us and press the bell icon so you get a notification. I'm sure you will have a wonderful. So tomorrow I'll come up with another video of electricity or any other chapter in physics. So one day I'll come physics, another day I'll come the chemistry. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.